Today I just wanted to do a quick review for you of this Rite Aid brand Sinus Wash Saline refill packets. So these are for doing nasal cleansing or sinus cleansing. It comes in a box of 100, and I do think it's a great value just to be clear up front. Each packet contains 700 milligrams of sodium bicarbonate and 2300 milligrams of sodium chloride at USP grade, and you can use them with any sinus rinse bottle. For example, I have these two different kinds of bottles here, and I will use these nasal rinses in either of these. But in case you're wondering if it's worth it to do nasal rinsing, let's just go ahead and look on the box of this Rite Aid saline refill packets and kind of get an idea of why you would want to use something like this. So if we just kind of zoom in on this box to the uses, which you can see up here, these sinus rinses basically remove inhaled irritants like dust and pollen. They promote nasal and sinus drainage, and they moisturize dry nasal passages. So in a general sort of way, these saline rinses promote nasal health. You can kind of get an idea of what you get here, but these are a good value at getting 100 at a time. I really liked the deal they were. And in case you want to know how to use them, you could use a neti pot, but you use 8 ounces of water, for example, and that water should be room temperature or lukewarm, and you can use distilled water, you can use filtered water, or you can use boiled tap water. Just be sure to cool it down to room temperature or lukewarm, and basically just empty your packet of the saline solution into this bottle, add your 8 ounces of water. I like to do it in the shower personally, but you could do it over the sink, for example, with a bottle like this, and you just gently squeeze and the water will come out the other nostril, and use about half for one nostril and about half the other side. That's pretty much it. And if you want an isotonic solution, which is basically a saline concentration that's the same as your body's saline concentration, use 1 packet. That's what's recommended for normal use. But if you want to get an extra strong solution, which would be a hypertonic solution, use 2 packets, and it might burn a little if you do this, but it's definitely going to get a lot more mucus out, and it's going to be a stronger rinse. I prefer just to use the 1 packet most of the time. That being said, I didn't even start doing nasal rinses until a lot later in life, but I've been doing it for several years now, and I really do like the effects that it has on my nasal passage, and I think it's really good. And if you haven't experienced it, I think you're going to like how it leaves your nose feeling on the inside extra soft. So I really think these Rite Aid saline refill packets are a great deal, and I hope you liked my review of them. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and share this video, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.